Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered what makes things like your toothbrush bristles, jacket, or ropes so strong? Often, the answer is nylon. Nylon is a fascinating and incredibly useful material. In this video, we're going to break down the structure of nylon in a very simple way. We'll look at what it's made of and how its tiny building blocks give it its amazing properties. First, let's understand the basics. Nylon is a polymer. Think of a polymer as a very long chain. This chain is made of smaller, repeating units called monomers. Imagine linking thousands of paper clips together to make one giant chain. The whole chain is the polymer, and each paper clip is a monomer. Nylon is a special type of polymer called a polyamide. This name gives us a big clue about its structure. The poly part means many, and the amide part refers to a special chemical link called an amide bond. This is the super strong glue that holds the nylon chain together. To make nylon, we usually start with two different types of monomers. Let's take the most common example, nylon 6,6. The name 6,6 tells us about its monomers. One monomer is called hexamethylenediamine, and it has 6 carbon atoms. The other monomer is adipic acid, which also has 6 carbon atoms. That's where the 6,6 comes from. So, how do these two monomers join together? They link up through a process called condensation polymerization. It sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. When a molecule of adipic acid meets a molecule of hexamethylenediamine, they react. They join together to form that strong amide bond we talked about. And every time they join, a small molecule of water is released. This process repeats over and over again, creating an incredibly long and repeating chain, which is the nylon polymer. This long chain structure is what makes nylon so useful. But there's another secret to its strength. The amide bonds in the nylon chains have a special property. They can form connections with the amide bonds in neighboring chains. These connections are called hydrogen bonds. You can think of them as tiny magnets pulling the different polymer chains close together. These hydrogen bonds lock the chains into a very orderly, crystalline structure. This organized, tightly packed arrangement of long, strong chains held together by hydrogen bonds is what gives nylon its fantastic properties. It's why nylon is so strong, tough, elastic, and resistant to wear and tear. So, to sum it up, nylon is a polymer made of repeating units joined by strong amide bonds. These long chains are then held together by hydrogen bonds, creating a tough and durable material. I hope this simple explanation helped you understand the structure of nylon. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions, and consider subscribing to support the channel. It really helps us create more content like this. See you in the next video.